Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable data level in chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with a chart. Now I enable or disable data level of chart. Select this chart, then go to chart design. Now you can see here are add chart element drop down menu, just press it. Now you can see here are data level, just now you can see here are data level option, data call out, data end, database, data inside end and center. Now I choose center. Now you can see I enable data level. Now I disable this data level. Select this chart again, go to chart design option. Now you can see here are add chart element. Click this drop down menu and go to data level option. Now just press none. Now you can see I enable or disable data level of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.